not a test. The lives of you and your fellow citizens are in grave danger. An immediate shelter-in-place order has been demanded. An abnormal phenomenon is occurring. Mysterious creatures with no known origins or traces of information linked to them have appeared. This is an extremely dangerous situation. These creatures are animalistic and incredibly violent. Hundreds of citizens have already been reported dead due to the situation. You must take shelter in a building highly secured from the inside and out. All doors and windows must be locked. Hide in an inner room away from light. If you are found by these creatures, you must